Yo, what is going on, guys? It's the Boxhead Studios back with another video after who knows how long, but yeah, so if you're watching this in 2021 or months past or I don't know, whenever, um, this game is dead. Um, and it's because Flash is no longer with us. Now you're asking, well, how are you on the game? Well, I looked up some video on YouTube and well, I found a way around it. But anyways, um, as you can see, it is a dead game. Um, Still have some of my premiums actually. Um, and the list never got reset, so that's cool. But anyways, I'm making this video because look, this game is dead, as I already said. There's no way to bring it back. It is just lost and forgotten the time, but it will forever be in my heart. And if you're watching this, I'm sure it was in your heart at some point too. It might always be as well. But but anyways, I would have like a highlight reel of a bunch of screenshots or just different things that I did on this game for the past decade, but honestly, I don't have the energy to do it. It'd take a lot of time and plus I wouldn't know how many people would watch it, but I'm making this anyway because, I think this game deserves a farewell. It deserves a goodbye. Um, because yeah, as you can see again, that game, no one's playing it. So, I started off this game back in 2009, and before I do anything or say anything else, I'm just gonna talk about my career on this game. Cause why not? But I started this game late, like 2009. My name was like Boxoman09. Here, let me try and type it out. That's what it was. Um, and then went on to another account. Eruption 90, Hopper 90, and then the one that you see right now. The account that I used for pretty much, my entire career. Most of it anyway, but and then there was also Nuwanda, if you know that account, that was also me. I was a moderator as well at some point. Banned the whole list. If you remember all that stuff, you're a real one. Like seriously, like that is like years and years of like events that just happened, took place, and over the last like few years, I'd say I haven't really cared about this game. I've always like would drop in from time to time. But anyways, yeah, I had a lot of fun, had a lot of crazy times, met a lot of people online, and if you're watching this, I'm sure you feel the same way because I mean, yeah, there wasn't, you know, this game wasn't very populated. There weren't too many people, but you pretty much knew the person, right? You see their name and it's like, oh yeah, it's this guy. He's a collector. He's a lagger. He likes to auto run. And yeah, those occasional speed hackers that are just using cheat engine back in the day, and then other mods and whatever. I don't know. I don't know anything about that stuff. But anyways, yeah, I have a lot of memories here. Um, and unfortunately, I don't think I have seen any box set videos. Um, having making like a farewell. I could be wrong because I haven't looked it up, but I'm making mine if there are. Um, but yeah, I will play a game. I'm not gonna play. I'm just gonna go onto Hedge Maze one last time. Um, because this is the map that everyone used. And honestly, and I haven't played this so long because of Flash being, you know, done for. So I'm about to go in here and have no idea what to do. Oh, okay. And I'm only getting 15, 14 FPS. That's cool. Um, oh my God, I actually remember how to use my controls. But no, that's enough of that. But anyways, yeah, all the crazy wanted games, all of the times when there would be like 15 wanteds, one non gets in, and he's nowhere near wanted, and then someone's like, leave, and then we all have to remake the game. Like, those are some funny but also annoying times. Um, and yeah, I've had my fair share of being one of the top or one of the best. And I know I'm not very humble when I say that, but there was a time and period when I was kind of dominant. I'm not gonna lie. But after like 2000 and like 13 or 14 or whatever, that's when I fell off kind of hard, and everyone else started tryharding, and that's when Temple came around, and all the tryhards kind of just woke up and were just born, and yeah, I don't know. So, um, but yeah, if you knew me back in those days, um, with all the accounts I listed earlier and the one I'm on right now, hopefully I was cool with you. Hopefully, you know, I wasn't a punk to you. Because at some point I was a punk to some people for sure. And honestly, I wish I would have like created a list of people that I remember from this game, but there's so many names, so many people that I met, um, that it's just like it's hard to, it just wouldn't be easy at all. There were way too many people. And earlier I said, yeah, this game wasn't too popular, but over the years, it's like you talk to it, you talk and meet, meet more people, and it's like the list only just adds, Um, so um, so yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. All of this is unedited, by the way. I'm just kind of winging it. Because again, I literally looked up like 10 minutes ago, like how to, how to work Flash, and here I am now. So yeah, and I guess no one else knows how to work it, or no one else is bothered, because again, just a dead game, no games found. Um, but yeah, that's just a farewell to this game. There's no way to do anything about it. I mean, maybe by a miracle something could happen. I don't know, but whatever. I've heard stuff of people like wanting to bring this game over to Steam and whatnot. I'm like, nah, just this game is so old. Just let it die. This game definitely didn't deserve, or this game definitely deserved more love and more attention. Stick Arena unfortunately was around, and that was just a more popular game. Like, I don't know. This game definitely had potential, but you know, the only real thing that was ever added to this game was Temple, and even then, that was just, that was just a mess. But but yeah, so over the years, if you guys have watched my videos on Boxhead, I just want to give a shout out to you guys. Honestly, I know I haven't made stuff in the last like couple years, and quite frankly, my content wasn't even like super, you know, cool or amazing or anything. I just recorded games, recorded just random miscellaneous stuff too from time to time. But if you're still here, still subscribed, and watching this, or you just looked up the game and you find this video, hey, I appreciate you. Um, and honestly, I probably love you as well because I knew a lot of people on this game, and I was very friendly with a lot of people. Although I was kind of a troll, I had my moments, and I'll definitely never forget this game. I'll grow old, settle down, and move on with my life. But this game, if anyone ever mentions it, it's like, yeah, this was my childhood. I started this when I was like 11, and and yeah, and I talked a lot about myself, but I mean, no one else is here, so but yeah, so if you're watching this and you knew me back in these days, I love you. And if I banned you for some weird reason or period at all, I'm sorry. But I'm pretty sure most of the time I was just doing my job. Other times I was just, I don't know. I was like 14 or 15 when I became a mod, so please go easy on me. um, but yeah, I think this is where I'll end it before the 10-minute mark. Um, definitely one of the best times that I had online. This game taught me how to stand up for myself against people online, although that doesn't sound very, ambitious at all. It's just kind of like whatever, right? But I learned to flame, troll, and take all of it at the same time because of this game, and so many memories I will never forget. Um, so yeah, if there's any comments you guys want to make on the game, I'll definitely be looking at those. And yeah, so thank you guys for being a part of my online life during these days. Love you guys. Take care, and that's just the end of Boxhead. So I'll catch you guys in the comments if you guys say anything. See you then.